Hello guys, I'm so excited to tell you now that I finally found a solution to my um, back camera problem, and this is this is what I did here. So as you can see, I took out my motherboard and I peeled off this upper piece of it's just a piece of plastic uh, covering up this area. I simply peeled it off and I took a heater like this and just heated this upper side for, I don't know, about 20 seconds or half a minute. And when I put it back together, it just worked. So I'm so happy to tell you, and if someone else would have had similar problem, just like I said, just peel this upper side off and heat it with a heater or a hair dryer. But with a hair dryer it should take a bit longer, and that's it. So I've put it back together, see, and let's see how it works. It works perfect. Thanks for watching.